Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Hotlink account details and connection. Make sure your phone number and Hotlink ID match what you expect. This avoids verification delays. Once done, connect to a reliable network, Wi-Fi or mobile data with a steady signal, because unstable links cause timeouts. Then open the Hotlink app that is already updated. Outdated versions may hide controls or block logins. Now tap Sign In and move on to the credential entry phase with confidence and a good connection. You now enter the exact credential set, the registered phone number or email, and the correct password or one-time PIN. Use the keyboard to confirm characters. Do not rely on autofill if you suspect typos. If biometric options appear, enable them to speed future logins. After submitting, expect an OTP or an app verification code. Enter it immediately because codes typically expire in about 60 to 180 seconds. Once the code verifies, you'll proceed to session setup and personalization steps. You finish by accepting any session prompts and configuring basic preferences so the app remembers your choices. Make sure permissions like SMS or notifications are granted if required for OTP delivery. If login fails, don't panic. Clear the app cache or force stop and reopen, then retry with carefully retyped credentials. Also, restart your device and confirm network access. If problems persist, contact Hotlink support and provide the error code, your device model, and a screenshot. This speeds troubleshooting and resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.